Everyone wants to look sexy from the back. Striving for a strong, well-defined backside? Here's the scoop. First up, nutrition. Protein is key, helping repair and grow muscle tissue. Aim for lean sources like chicken, fish, and plant-based proteins. Don't forget complex carbs and healthy fats. Think whole grains and avocados. You need to properly feed your muscles for them to grow. Exercise is paramount. Squats, lunges, and deadlifts are your new best friends. Heavy weights will get you there faster. These exercises target the glutes directly, promoting muscle growth. Remember, consistency is vital. Aim to train 2 to 3 times a week, allowing your muscles time to recover and grow. Lastly, sleep. It's during this rest period that your body repairs muscle tissue. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. No shortcuts, no gimmicks, just dedication, sweat, and a healthy lifestyle. Time to get started on that road to a stronger, healthier you. Like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.